Hello, I am Bagas from class C. Will tell about my daily activity or routine activity. In the morning, I always wake up at 5:30 and then prayer subuh. After that, I help my little brothers and my little sister to prepare the school book. They always go to school at 6:30. After that, I also help my father and then he goes to office. If I don't have any schedule in my campus, I usually clean the front yard from the falling leaves and throw it to a big rubbish bin in front of my house. Then I take shower and enjoy the time. But if I have schedule in my campus, I prepare myself and go to station by angkot. Arrive at the station, I take train to Cawang station, and from Cawang station, I continue to campus by busway. After class finish, I just walk to bus shelter and go home. I always come home in the late afternoon. Just after come home, I cook some dinner and clean my house again. If Azan Isha come, my little brothers go to recitation until 9 p.m. Me and my little sisters enjoy have the dinner. At 8 p.m. my father come. I help him for bring this his bag and play game in my bedroom. After play game, I help my sister to work her homework and play game again until 11:30 p.m. In 12:10 a.m. I sleep. That's my routine activity.